Hi, it's Lady Borgia and welcome back to my channel. It's Beautylish mini haul day. If you're wondering, I just finished filming this fantastic look with two wings and hearts and two wings on this side. That's right, 4 wings. I'm about to fly away. We've got glitter, we've got glam, everything else like that. I had a really fun time doing this tutorial. I will link it below. But now we are on Beautylish. Beautylish is, if you don't know, briefly, a carrier brand similar to Sephora or Ulta, a brand that carries other beauty brands that you can buy from. They, I believe, have stores. They're based in San Francisco. I've never been in one, but they have a fantastic website and app. Believe me, that app is on my phone. It's been on all of my phones. I have loved Beautylish since 2011, and I think they came out fall of 2010. So I jumped on that one pretty quick. Anyway, this is just a small haul. I totally recommend the app though. Go find it. I know they have it for iPhone and Android. It's a little addictive though. I got just a few things, but I'm in love with them. One of the first things I got was Inglot Liner, number 77. I know, not totally exciting, but I'm loving it. It is the Inglot Black Liner. It's so far one of my favorites. I've been meaning to try it for a really long time, and I'm happy that I did. I have so much black gel liner, it's not even funny, but I guess, actually I've got so much liner in general, it's not even funny. You can call me an eyeliner connoisseur. Anyway, it's fantastic. I like it so far. You're gonna notice a theme to the next couple things. Sugar pill! Yeah. I have a growing sugar pill edition. There are so many things that I want. I think I want one of everything from Sugar Pill. Eyeshadow. This is the white. This is Taco. I'm not quite sure. This one I had the chance to try out. Best white eyeshadow ever, although I was pretty impressed with Jeffree Star and Lipstick Nick's video debuting the first tutorial of his new palette. And when I saw that white color, Glucose, I believe it was, that was pretty sick too. And I will be getting that palette. The next on the list is a color that I've been waiting for. Oh, get out of the box. Come on, honey, you can come out. And yes, I store all my things in boxes even after I have them. But I haven't even tried this out yet. It is Velocity. Oh God, she's beautiful. I swear to God, I will own every single one of these eyeshadows. Is that not beautiful? Have not even swatched her yet. We have a virgin eyeshadow. Pretty. I know on their site you can buy, for every 12 you get the Pro Pan free with it. I believe there's 30 or 40 different shadows, plus all the loose shadows. I will have every single one of these shadows. You watch. This I needed right away. It is Love Plus. This color is sick. Okay, so far the best red that I have ever owned. Although, once again, Jeffree Star's new palette, I believe the color Cherry Soda looks pretty damn similar. And as soon as I get my hands on Jeffree Star's palette, I will check it out and I will let you know, because I don't know, I'm just so into red and white right now. I'm just obsessed with red and white, and he read my freaking mind. All right. Next, oh, we're not done yet. I said it was small, but I didn't say it was minuscule. Another red. Woo! We're into pigments. That's right. The loose eyeshadow, because they're not actually just pigments. They do have extra ingredients to help it stick to your eye that make it an eyeshadow. Asylum. Oh, this color, I've got to open it so you can see it. It is sick. Another red, but this is more, oh, I don't want to spill it. This is the only thing that scares me about these is there's no lid to them. This is a rusty, shimmery, wonderful freaking red. Sick. I will be wearing it soon and you will see it. We've got another loose shadow, Penelope. Now, oh, you gotta see this one. This one is gorgeous. I saw it and thought with my blue eyes, oh God, this is sick. I actually got a chance to try it out the other day. It is awesome. I was trying to keep my hands off these things in, sorry, I couldn't do it with all of them and I didn't have a chance to film a mini haul. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's just a teeny bit from the lid. God, I thought I spilled it for a second. I already had a heart attack from last week's tutorial video. I do not need one from a mini haul. Right, anyway, I desperately want some of these other pigments. I mean, God, I could just go and get any of them, but then again, you know, eating is necessary. All right, last but not least, we have the beautiful Lumi. It is a beautiful white with a blue reflect. She is gorgeous. I hope you can see that. My lights do not get any freaking brighter, so here you go. I've got my ring light jacked up to the maximum. I believe it goes up to 6500K, so that's pretty goddamn bright. That is it, my lovelies. That's my Beautylish mini haul. I hope you guys have a fabulous day or night. Love you, Lady Borgia, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and join the Borgia family, and hit that notification bell because I've got stuff coming on a regular basis. Love y'all. Bye-bye.